Hey everyone, welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. If you're wondering where I have been, I did take a break over the Christmas and New Year period. I'm back with this delicious air fry lamb chop recipe. Now, to begin, I have 800 grams of lamb in this bowl and I've cleaned this with lemon and water. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add all my seasonings to the lamb chops. Feel free to season your lamb chops using your preferred seasonings of choice. Once I've added all my seasonings, I'm going to go ahead and drizzle on some olive oil, and then next I will mix everything together to ensure that the lamb chops is well coated in the seasonings. And as you can see, the lamb chops is nicely coated in the marinade. Now I'm going to cover with cling film and place this in the refrigerator to allow it to marinate for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, I'm just removing the cling film from my marinated lamb chops, and I will place the lamb chops on my air fryer rack ready to air fry. Now time to air fry the lamb chops for 10 to 15 minutes at 195 degrees. If you don't have an air fryer, you can certainly make these lamb chops using the oven. And 10 to 15 minutes later, the lamb chops are ready. And guys, if I tell you the aroma emanating from my air fryer, it is on another level. You are certainly going to enjoy this recipe. Today, I'm going to enjoy my lamb chops with some creamy mash, gravy, and veggies on the side. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell, which will notify you whenever I post delicious recipes like this. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.